Alright, so in this video I'll be answering a very crucial question, which many people have asked me before, which is, can the TrendIQ Pro Gold be used on any other pair? The short answer is yes, but I'll show you the long answer. That is the purpose of this video. Now, this is gold, and I think I've taken time to explain to the users that there is difference between the indicator and the strategy. All right, so when you want to use another pair or another instrument like this, what you need to do is to first check the strategy report, and you will see that down here. Immediately you attach the TrendIQ Pro Gold indicator, it brings the strategy report and it gives you an update of how the strategy has performed on the particular pair you are putting it on. Now, what you should look out for majorly should be your profit factor. Any profit factor above 1.0 is good, but I recommend minimum of 1.3 so that you are on the more profitable side. All right, so I'm just going to walk through maybe 3 or 4 pairs, and I will show you why and how to use the strategy and not the indicator this time around. Okay, so it's going to be on the charts like this, but then I'll show you the strategic part of it. All right, so let's randomly select any pair here. Let's see GBP card. All right, GBP card is 1.406, which means it is something I can trade. I can see the chart that there's been ups and downs, but overall it is profitable, and that fact that it is profitable alone is what I need. The fact that it is profitable is all I need. I know there will be drawdowns, but then there will be profitable. Period. Let's check another one. Let's see USD card. Is it profitable as well? It is 1.1. So indeed, it is profitable, but I still feel like I need something much more profitable. So I wouldn't trade USD card because the profit factor is nothing above 1.3. I hope you are getting what I'm saying right now. So let me check AUD USD. I'm just checking them at random. Now look at AUD USD. AUD USD has proven itself to be very, very profitable, sitting at a profit factor of 2.0. So with this, I know that I can trade AUD USD. Now let us go to the strategy and not the indicator, like I said. All right, let's just scroll down. Let's start from here for some reason. Let's just start from here. Now let me expand in. We are running on the M15 time frame. The indicator says sell here at the close of this candle here. The strategy doesn't enter at this very candle. It waits for this candle to close and enters at the open or the opening of the next candle. So the sell signal that was given opened here using the strategy. All right, that is where you see -1 enter short. Then it waited till the market came down. Now if you observe, yeah, we already touched TP using the indicator, but the strategy still says no, I can still earn more. So it was up to this level out here. Look at the distance from the TP. That is when it says short trail 1. Usually once you see short trail 1, just get out of the market. I'm not explaining more than that. Just get out of the market. Now what happened there is that is the end of that trade. Now here as well, we got sell signal. Sell here. The strategy says here short trail 1. This means get out of the trade here as well. So of course these two trades enter the TP for the indicator, but still we've gotten the signal that says get out of the trade here. Just get out of it. Look at this one as well. Enter long position. The entry was here. This was the signal. This was where the entry happened, and this was the TP. And this is actually where it said long trail, which means short, which means close your trail trades here. As simple as that. Now let's look at this one. I always love to have an example that does not go away. Now this is a buy signal. Okay, it tried to buy, it entered here, not it tried, it entered here, enter long +1. Now we are waiting for the market to go up, but the market refused to go up, and at the end of the day, long stop loss here, stop loss here. Yes, so it also has its own stop loss. Now you observe something, that within the movement of this alone, the indicator has given another signal, but the strategy is still inside one trade, so it will now open another trade. That's why I say follow the strategy, not the what's it called, not the indicator. There is another sell trade in between. The strategy still says I'm inside the trade, I'm not taking another one. All right, now look at here, we got a buy trade here. The strategy entered here. The strategy says long trail one. Now usually trailing is like securing positions. That is work of trailing. When it goes a little in your favor, it secures the position. That is not actually TP. If we see another one with TP, I'll show you. But that is not actually TP. That's just like covering and protecting the position of the trade. So you can see this is where this one ended. Then another one came here, short. This one SL. Okay, SL. Stop short low and stop loss for the short trade. This is another short that entered here. It trailed here, which means that it protected the account here. And of course, this one went to TP on the indicator and not on the strategy. All right, long here. I think this is the long trail one. So this is where the long came to close. So if you can follow this strategy alone, so for look at this trade now. This trade just entered few minutes ago. This is 12:46, which is like 1 hour ago. So this trade just entered 1 hour ago. That it gave a buy signal. The market is indeed going by, but at this point it says protect what you've gotten. So what you could actually do for long trade is bring your what's it called, stop loss to the entry and close partial positions. You can do that. You can close full positions at times. I just prefer to close full positions at times. So that's just how it works. That is definitely how it works. Just come in here, close out here. You are profitable already. You moved in at 0.69340 and you closed out at 0.69425. So that's some big profit. You understand? So just follow that method, and remember the first thing you should check. Let me find a pair I've not shown you. First thing you should check is your profit factor. Are we profitable? If we are profitable, we'll go in there. Okay, look at this one now. VP give us a buy signal here, and that's just in the last 15 minutes. Long trail, you can see it here. Short signal here, short trade. This is a TP trade. This is also going to TP trade. This is a TP trade here. So you can see this is another TP trade here, another TP trade here. The indicator is correct. All right, the indicator is correct, but follow the strategy, because the strategy already gives you the report directly. The report is given to you directly, so you can see how you can check the list of trades to understand how the trades play in place. Okay, now look at this one now, short TP1. Let's go and check where that trade happened. It should be up here. Okay, look at this trade now. We gave a sell signal here, sell trade here, and it went straight to TP. Straight to TP. You can see the distance. Went straight to TP. So let's just follow the strategy. Okay, so once you enter the trade with it, as at the close of this candle, you enter trade and you reach here and you saw short TP1, which means full position, get out of the trade, enter short position here, short stop loss. You can see this one ended as a stop loss. You can see it here. So this is a short position sell, but the sell ended as a stop loss. So I believe that with this you've understood how to use the TrendIQ system for other pairs other than gold alone. So like I said, gold is profitable, very, very profitable. You can see the reports. You can see the reports 2.2, but then we also have pairs or instruments that are equally profitable as well. All right, so this one doesn't go in. AUDNZZ goes in. This one goes in. You can see this goes in. This goes in. Let's check AUD card. This one does not go in. So just it's a simple calculation. Once you see that the profit factor is less than 1.3, just leave it. Just leave it. But if it is above 1.3, you know, okay, overall the system is being profitable. It may have some drawdown periods like this, but overall you can see that we are climbing back up. So like I said, that's going to be all about this video, and I'll see you on the next one.